Let's learn a category of statements. Here we'll be learning open and closed statements. What does it mean for a statement to be open? What does it mean for a statement to be closed? Now, a statement is open if we can determine whether it is true or false. But if you can't determine for sure if it is true or false, that means it's a closed statement. A statement in which we can determine if it is true or false is called an open statement. While a statement we cannot determine for sure whether it is true or false is called a closed statement. Thank you.